back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the most effective stretches I did to get my middle splits. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. By the way, a lot of people are asking where I get my clothing from and my equipment for stretching and exercises. I will link everything down below in the description.
Today we're going to do 11 stretches. We're going to hold each stretch for 30 seconds. The first one we're going to do is a toe touch. If you can't reach your toes, it's fine. Just try to reach the floor with your fingers. Almost ready? And we're done. Now we're going to stay in the same position and widen our legs. If you can reach the floor with your hands easily, you can try to put your elbows on the ground. This is going to be a little bit more challenging, but you can do it. And we're ready. For the next stretch, we're going to stay in the same position, but our toes have to point to the sides. And we're going to do pliés for the next 30 seconds. Make sure that when you do pliés, your knees are pointing towards the sides. This stretch is also perfect for hip mobility. Now we're going to sit down with our legs wide open. A very important thing to keep in mind is that we have to straighten our knees and point our toes, or else the stretch won't be as effective anymore. Try to put your elbows on the floor. If it's too hard, it's okay. Try to reach as far as you can with your hands. Ready. Now we're going to do the butterfly, which is also awesome for hip mobility. If your knees touch the floor easily, put a stretching block or books beneath your feet. Try to push your knees down as far as possible. You can press down with your hands too if it helps you. Done. For the next stretch, we're going to lay down on the floor. We're going to lift our left knee so it faces the ceiling, then it faces to the side, and we're going to return it to the starting position. In these 30 seconds, we're doing this stretch only on our left leg. It might feel like you aren't stretching anything, but it does help a lot. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same stretch on our right leg. Let's go. Our knee goes up to the side and down. Repeat it until the time goes out. Done. Now we are going to stay laying down, lift our leg, bend it, and place the other leg on top. Make sure the upper knee is facing the side. pull your knees towards you. Maybe you don't feel much of a stretch either, but it's very worth it. Done? And now we're going to do the same thing on the other leg. Make sure to pull your knee towards you as much as you can. Ready. For the next stretch, you can use a stretching band or ankle weights. If you don't have any of these, that's okay. You can do it without them. Lay down on your back and open your legs. Push down as far as you can. We're doing the stretch for 30 seconds, but if you can do it for 2 or 5 minutes, it's even better, and you'll get better results. For the last 10 seconds, put your hands down. And we're ready. Take off your weights or your stretching band if you have them on, and now we're just gonna do the middle splits. This is the last stretch, but the most effective one. So push down as much as you can. You can either lay down completely or put your elbows down. Make sure to come back tomorrow and do the stretches if you want to get to your goal as soon as possible. Done!
Guys, I really hope you enjoyed these stretches. Make sure to do this every single day, and I'm pretty sure you will see results very, very soon. And make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!